My life be like, yeah, my life be like.
Hello and welcome to Fox Gadget. If you're passionate about practical, stylish devices designed to make your life easier, this video is for you. Today, I bring you a selection of gadgets designed especially for men. Functional, innovative, and perfect for any situation, whether at home, outdoors, or at work. Get ready to discover compact tools, smart technology, and accessories that combine utility and design like never before. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. Cleer Axe. Here we have a multifunctional axe that goes far beyond its traditional use. It combines a high-precision blade, a special hook, hammer, ruler, 5 wrenches, and a hex screwdriver. It also features a built-in carabiner and a rope slot. Its pin assembly system makes assembling and disassembling the axe very easy. It includes a ballistic nylon sheath with a belt loop. There is also a basic version with fewer features, and a high-end version made of titanium with blue anodized details, lighter and visually spectacular. PGX Dose. We start with a multi-tool that looks like something out of a spy movie, all inside a stylish leather case. This tool works as a wrench, compatible with more than 20 screw sizes, and offers a smooth ratchet-style twist. Need to cut cardboard, wood, or paper? It includes an ultra-sharp blade. Plus, an ergonomic lever allows you to grip and cut with total comfort and safety. Need to open a can or pull out a nail? This tool can do that too, and it doesn't stop there. It comes with a magnetic slot for 1/4-inch accessories and a built-in clip that combines with a carabiner and a lanyard hole. Super practical to carry however you want. One-wheel GT. Now we move on to a single-wheel machine with plenty of power. This electric board can reach up to 32 kilometers per hour and travel about 48 kilometers on a single charge. Thanks to its special non-slip pads, you'll have a firm and comfortable grip. It uses a rounded wheel for quick and precise maneuvers, although you can also opt for a version with a rugged tire if you prefer off-road terrain. With built-in LED lights, you can use it day or night without any problems. And of course, it has an app to control settings, customize functions, and check the battery. Pyro Putty. What looks like a simple gel in a jar is actually a survival tool. This eco-friendly lighter works in all weather conditions, rain, wind, or snow. A single ball burns for 15 minutes, and a full unit can stay lit for up to 7 hours. There are variants designed for different needs. For best results, combine it with a rechargeable double-arc lighter with a compartment for storing the gel. Its waterproof casing makes it resistant even in the most hostile environments. Magnetic flashlights. Next, 2 compact and versatile flashlights. One of them is so tiny that it fits on your keychain, but offers up to 100 lumens of brightness and a 50,000-hour lifespan. It activates automatically when removed from its magnetic base, which also functions as a switch. The other option has 60 lumens, but adds a laser pointer and several lighting modes. And if you're looking for something even more functional, there's a version with UV light, useful for checking banknotes, documents, and fluorescent products. All are rechargeable and very practical. Depec endoscope. For those hard-to-reach spaces, nothing beats a portable endoscopic camera. This model comes with a 4.5-inch IPS screen that offers a clear, natural image with vivid colors from any angle. Perfect for checking engines, pipes, or dark corners, as its LED lights have different levels of intensity. It also has a built-in flashlight. In addition, accessories such as a mirror, hook, and magnet are included. Its battery lasts up to 5 hours and records everything on an included TF card. You can also opt for an upgraded version with a larger screen, higher capacity battery, and more storage space. Omnif. Now let's move on to a smart key that redefines the way you control your home and your vehicle. With the push of a button, you can open the garage, unlock doors, turn on lights, activate alarms, and control all your smart devices. You can also give voice commands thanks to its compatibility with assistants such as Alexa and Siri. Its app allows you to create more than 100 custom scenarios to control multiple devices with a single action. In addition, it has quick controls that work without having to look at the screen. And the best part? It also starts your car while you enjoy a leisurely breakfast. It includes a locator to find it if it gets lost, and a flashlight with an emergency button. It is compact, rechargeable, and easy to clip to your belt or pants. MultiTool Cart. Who said multi-tools have to be big? This one is the size of a credit card, but it has more than 80 functions, from screwdrivers and wrenches to a pry bar, a knife, and unusual tools such as a sundial and a sharpener. What's impressive is its modular design. You can add or swap out elements such as knives, pliers, or even a comb. It is available in various finishes and materials, including stainless steel, titanium, and ceramic-coated versions. With this tool in your wallet, you'll be prepared for any unexpected situation. GameSir F7 Controller. This tablet accessory is designed for those who enjoy mobile shooters. Thanks to its suction system, it installs in seconds without the need for apps or configurations. Just plug it in and you're ready to play. Its design allows you to play with 6 fingers at once, giving you a big advantage in competitive games. It includes 2 turbo buttons on the sides to change the firing rate depending on the situation. You can also add an additional trigger connector that installs effortlessly. It offers 3 firing modes, including a custom one, and the battery provides up to 10 hours of use. Equerry Polishing Kit. Now we move on to something more everyday, an automated shoe polisher. This portable device has 2 rods, one for applying cream and the other with a rotating natural bristle brush that spins at 100 RPM. Each cream capsule lasts for up to 30 uses, and you can choose from colors such as black, brown, or transparent. In just a couple of minutes, your shoes will look like new, effortlessly. In addition, the device is rechargeable and very easy to transport, ideal for travel or to have on hand at home. Height Body Razor. Looking for a razor that combines design with functionality? This one has an aluminum body with a very ergonomic and elegant curved shape. It includes 3 interchangeable heads to suit your needs, for sensitive skin, comfort, or extreme precision. Its magnetic casing allows you to change heads quickly and safely, and the blade replacement system protects your fingers. Compatible with standard blades on the market, you can also add accessories such as a stand and shaving brush, and it comes in several modern colors. Storm 2. This power bank is unlike any other. Its transparent casing reveals all the internal components, and its capacity is impressive. It has 2 USB-C ports, a standard USB output, and a DC output, enabling fast charging up to 100 watts. It can power 3 devices at once, including laptops and phones. An IPS display shows key parameters at all times and allows you to make adjustments directly. It fully recharges in just 90 minutes and features advanced protection against overheating, short circuits, and more. And if you travel frequently, you can add solar panels to it for power anywhere. Fidget Ball. Do you think these bumpy little balls are just toys? Actually, they are anti-stress tools that make a very pleasant clicking sound when you move them. They can also be used to massage your hands, stimulating circulation, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Rod Holder. For fishing enthusiasts, this tool is like having a third hand. It is made from recycled nylon and is incredibly durable. Its base can rotate 360 degrees and is designed to securely hold cork or spinning fishing rods. It includes secure hooks and an adjustable elastic band for added stability. This allows you to handle the hook, release the fish, or perform any task without letting go of the rod. Arkite Bike Pedals. These bike pedals take safety to another level. They are equipped with LEDs on both sides that emit white light to the front and red light to the rear, automatically adjusting according to the position of the pedal. They activate when you start pedaling and turn off when you stop. They have 3 lighting modes and are compatible with most bikes. The aluminum body is waterproof, and the LED modules can be removed and used on helmets or backpacks thanks to their magnetic base. A single charge provides up to 36 hours of use, and the included multi-charger allows you to recharge 4 modules at once. OYO Gym. This small device replaces an entire weight room. It weighs only 1.1 kilograms, but allows you to work all muscle groups thanks to an adjustable resistance system that reaches up to 18 kilograms per hand. The rubber-coated handles provide a comfortable grip, and the nylon-coated cables ensure durability. This device has been tested by NASA astronauts, so its effectiveness is more than proven. Need workout ideas? There is a platform with videos and step-by-step routines. Flashlight covers. Do you have a flashlight that you already like? Then you'll be interested in these special holders. One of them fits models with a rear switch and a diameter of 23 to 25 millimeters. Its clip provides a secure attachment to your clothing or equipment. There are also 360-degree rotating holsters that allow you to use the flashlight hands-free. Some include an open base that allows you to turn it on without removing it. In addition, an extra holster designed for batons has a quick-release system with 16 positions and an immediate removal system. Nintendo carrying case. Nintendo Switch users also have their ideal gadget, a compact hard-shell carrying case. It includes a quick-release clip and a high-density EVA structure that protects against impacts, scratches, and dust. Its water-resistant lining adds extra security, while the magnetic inner pocket prevents any zippers from damaging the console. In addition to the device, the case has space for cables, chargers, and up to 12 cartridges, thanks to a removable divider. Free K4 MultiTool Knife. At first glance, it looks like a common pocket knife, but it is much more. Its stainless steel blade is well contoured and has a clip for easy transport. However, the interesting part comes when you unfold the hidden tools. It includes 9 essential functions such as scissors, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and more. The magnetic locking system keeps each tool in place to prevent accidents. Lightweight, practical, and versatile. Perfect for everyday use. Line driver. This fishing multi-tool is designed for those who enjoy spending time near the water. It offers 6 key functions: a rotating vise for holding hooks, a cleaning tip for used fishing lines, a hook threader, folding serrated scissors for cutting even thick lines, a cutter accessible without unfolding the tool, and functional pliers. Its pocket clip and ring allow you to carry it comfortably. Kershaw Knives. Here we have 2 multifunction folding knives with robust designs. The first features a large stainless steel blade with a heat treatment that improves its strength. The ergonomic handle, made of reinforced nylon, incorporates a textured surface for better grip, a bottle opener, and a removable ruler that also functions as a screwdriver. Hidden inside the handle are 4 interchangeable bits, 2 flat and 2 Phillips. The second model is more compact, with a black oxide-coated blade and only 2 bits included. Both are practical, durable, and very useful in everyday situations. Marking tools. Hanging pictures or shelves has never been easier. The first gadget in this category is an alignment tool that fits into keyhole holes. Once installed on the object, you mark the wall by pressing lightly, and you will know exactly where to drill. It works on all types of surfaces, from smooth to textured. The second device is perfect for T-screws. Just fit it into the holder, press, and you're done. Its self-centering design ensures accurate results. They are made of durable materials, so they will last for years. Fish Face Multi-Tool. Next up is a small but effective multifunction tool. It is so light that you hardly notice it in your pocket, but it is made entirely of stainless steel with a dark titanium coating that gives it an elegant and resistant touch. It includes several wrenches, screwdrivers, a lever, a bottle opener, and a blade. It also incorporates a bicycle spoke tool, a file, and a nail cleaner. Compact, practical, and useful at all times. Cardlax 2.0 Massager. This portable massager is the size of a credit card, but offers 8 muscle therapy modes and 10 intensity levels. It works wirelessly. Just place it on the area to be treated and choose the setting. It also includes connectable electrodes to work on 2 points simultaneously. The pads are made of easy-to-clean synthetic leather. A single charge provides more than 2 weeks of use, and it is available in different colors to match your sportswear. Pasio GZ camera. If you're looking for an all-terrain action camera, this is an excellent choice. Its ultra-durable housing withstands drops from 4 meters and is waterproof to 18 meters. It is also completely dust-proof and works in extreme temperatures. The image quality is outstanding. It records in full HD with a 190-degree viewing angle and over 6.9 million effective pixels. You can capture scenes in slow motion and pair it with an app via Bluetooth to edit and share content instantly. Quantum Batman watches. Now let's take a look at a collection of watches inspired by the Batman universe. The first is completely black, with a titanium case and a matte finish reminiscent of the Batmobile. Another more silver model features details alluding to the character, such as the logo on the dial and personalized elements on the crown. All of them glow in the dark. There is a nostalgic version that incorporates yellow tones, inspired by the aesthetics of the 90s, with a semi-open dial that shows the internal mechanism. It was created to celebrate the character's 80th anniversary. There is also the Dark Knight model, with a leather strap and cushion-shaped case that represents the more elegant side of Bruce Wayne. And for Joker fans, there is a design with his iconic smile facing Batman's helmet, with sapphire crystal and a purple strap. Wuben G1 flashlight. Sometimes you just need a small flashlight, and this one is perfect for carrying on your keychain. It offers up to 40 lumens of brightness, with a range of 15 meters and a low power mode. It charges via USB-C and can run for up to 11 hours per charge. With its D-ring, you can easily attach it to your backpack, keys, or belt. Gerber Cape Saw. If you love the outdoors, you'll love this 12-inch folding saw. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Its pivot system and sharp blade make it an ideal tool for quickly cutting logs. The textured, rubber-coated handle provides a firm and secure grip. It's a must-have tool for camping or hiking. Wrench it. If compact tools are your thing, this multi-wrench is sure to surprise you. It is shaped like a pen, weighs very little, and is made entirely of high-strength stainless steel. It comes with 10 interchangeable heads, and you can carry up to 5 in the case at the same time. It can be used for everyday tasks, such as repairing bicycles, lamps, or opening bottles. It also includes a carrying bag to keep everything organized and accessible. Memo Pen. Do you find yourself distracted by your pen while working? This pen was designed for just that. It has a mechanical structure with double-threaded screws that allow the parts to rotate smoothly in both directions. It is made from premium materials such as aluminum, brass, and even gold or palladium for the most discerning users. It has an ergonomic shape and a German writing mechanism that guarantees precision. It also comes with its own carrying case. Canon Slider. This anti-stress slider is designed for adults. It consists of 41 pieces assembled in a highly durable zirconium structure. The powerful internal magnets offer ideal resistance for smooth movement and a satisfying click. Minimalist, robust, and functional. Perfect for releasing tension. Bagel Pi Smart Tape Measure. Now let's move on to a digital tape measure that will make your work faster and more accurate. It has a built-in screen that immediately displays the measurement taken, up to 160 centimeters with several units available. It also includes Bluetooth connectivity to transfer data directly to your phone or tablet. Its battery lasts more than 10 hours on a single charge. If you're looking for something simpler, there's an earlier version that includes 3 modes: traditional tape, wheel for uneven surfaces, and a remote sensor for contactless distance measurement. Very useful for hassle-free measuring. Utank Spinner. Finally, a selection of rather original fidget spinners. One of them includes 26 moving parts and 5 bearings, acting as 3 spinners in one. It is available in materials such as zirconium and aged stainless steel. You can also add tritium tubes for illumination. Another model has a sturdy all-metal design and can also be used as a self-defense tool. For those who prefer something more compact, there is one shaped like a coin with a magnetic structure that allows it to be taken apart and put back together again and again. There is also a version with rotating counterweights that offer an even smoother spinning experience. You can attach up to 6 weights and spin them all at once. Very relaxing and visually striking. EasyFunell Backpack Umbrella. And finally, an innovative backpack designed for travelers. Its waterproof design and large capacity make it ideal for everyday use or getaways. The best part? It incorporates an automatic umbrella. Just press a button and turn the handle, and the umbrella unfolds from the top. When not in use, it folds up like a hood with the help of 2 side buttons. You can also remove it completely if you prefer. There are several versions. The basic one with an umbrella, another with a solar panel to charge your devices, one with a built-in fan to cool you down on hot days, and another with a Bluetooth speaker. And well, my friends, with this gadget, we have reached the end of this video. I invite you to subscribe and see you in the next video. Best regards.